Alright, let's take a look at something. I'm going to take this skull and show you how to fix the problem if you have the wrong version of Painter. It's a pretty simple fix, but I thought I had a video, but I don't, so I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to take the skull and get it to another version of Painter. So I'm going to change it to... Hello. Pushed it too many times. How to get this texture out of here. So all I'm going to do, it's really, really easy. So I'm going to grab all of these. I can't do that because it's Photoshop. Photoshop does that, but I'm going to make a new folder. I'm going to call this Bloody Skull. And then I'm going to drag all of these into there. So if I turn off Bloody Skull, it goes away. There's the geometry. Okay, so now I've got Bloody Skull, and that's what I have there. And if I come over to, or right click on this, and then I say Create Smart Material. I create a Smart Material, it takes a second here. I'm actually using the wrong version too. So then I go over to my shelf, and if I look in my Smart Materials, there's now a Bloody Skull texture. So I'm going to export resource, and you want to save it someplace where you can find it. If you don't have this before you come to class or whatever, you need to make sure you just bring this material. I'm going to save it to the desktop and say select folder, and then close that. Okay, and then I'm going to delete it just because I want to show you what it's going to be like. So you're going to open your file, open recent file. And you can open up the skull, and you're going to have to do the baking and stuff because the baking is not going to be, you don't save the baking when you do the Smart Material. And then you're going to come over to your shelf, you're going to find your Smart Material, and you're going to throw it on there. And now my textures are back. Because the Smart Material has all of the stuff, so everything you've left off, everything you were doing is still there. You don't have to worry about starting over or nothing. Okay, that's the kit and caboodle. You just need to make sure you have 3.0.